So here we will discuss cargo loading lineup. So this is what you call bottom crossover valves. So first we will open this all so that we can avoid any pressure surge due to high loading rate. So these are the manifold valves, and that is the last valves that we're going to open. Next, we will open the drop valves. Drop valve 1, 2, and drop valve number 3. Next, you open the crossover valves on deck to ensure that there will be no pressure surge on all the cargo lines. Okay, these are the crossover valves on deck. After that, when we receive instructions to open the manifold valves, we will open the manifold valves number 1, 2, and 3. Finally, you need to double check it if your lineup is correct from manifold going inside the cargo oil tanks. Double check it to avoid any leakage while you're having your loading operations. Double check. Okay, I hope you learned a lot today, and thank you for watching the video.